A very good day to everyone. Now I am going to introducing myself. My name is Munisori.Rafjaraja and my matric number is 01DDT21F2046. Now I am going to explain about project 2 and the question is construct a mobile page using jQuery mobile, and my part is create 3 pages that include profile, gallery and history, and another part is appropriate page transaction. So now I am going to explain about profile page. Okay, the profile page is the initial page that appears when the website loads. It provides information about Iron Man. It contains a header with the Marvel logo and the page title profile. The content section includes a paragraph describing Iron Man's background, traits, and his portrayal in the Marvel universe. There are 2 buttons, which is gallery and history, are provided at the button for page navigation. So now I'm going to explain about gallery page. When the gallery page button is clicked on the profile page, the user is redirected to the gallery page. The header on this page includes the Marvel logo and the page title gallery. The content section displays a paragraph introducing the Iron Man gallery, followed by images showcasing the Iron Man shoots and adventures. A YouTube video is also embedded. Navigation buttons for the profile and history pages are available. So, thirdly, I am going to explain about history page. History page is clicking on the history button on the profile or gallery page leads to the history page. The header displays the Marvel logo and the title history. The content section presents a paragraph explaining Iron Man's history, that's including his origin and transformation and his role as the CEO of Stark Industries. Images related to Iron Man's history are displayed. Navigation buttons for the profile and history pages are provided. In terms of connectivity, each page has a header section that includes the Marvel logo for branding consistency. The page transactions are achieved using the jQuery mobile framework, which allows for smooth navigation between pages. The navigation buttons with data role attribute specify the target page to navigate to when clicked. Overall, this structure provides a simple and initiative way to present the profile, gallery, and history of Iron Man, allowing users to navigate between pages and access the desired information easily. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Lugendran, son of Rajendran. My matrix number is 01DDT21F1153. Today I want to present about registration. This is registration page. There's got many questions like full name, email address, mobile number, in country. You must fulfill all the questions. There's also got gender. You need to tick the option. There's a pop-up message. Your detail has been successfully saved.
My name is Mira Ramakam Subramanian. My matric card number is 0181F2065. Now I'm going to present about the HTML we created. The coding is we created in the Visual Studio. And now we start with the head. In the head we have a title which is Marvel mobile page, and we have a source file for jQuery script in the head body, and also we have a CSS file. And then in body we create a 4 pages. So page 1 is a profile. In page 1 we have a data role, data theme, and header. In the class for logo. For logo we insert a picture, a logo picture. And then for head 1 I have a Marvel mobile page, and then header 2 we have a profile which is the name of the page. And then for the paragraph we have a class which is a paragraph class, and then data role, and the center text, class center text, which is the text will be in the center. And for the text we declare a p, And then we have a 3 button, which is a page 2, page 3, page 4. Page 2 is a gallery, page 3 is a history, page 4 is a registration. If data roll is a button, and we include the data icon. From the button we can go for the next page. And for this page 1, we include a picture of the Iron Man, which is in the center. And for the page 2 is a gallery. The page 2 is a data row, data theme, and header, which I have a logo too. For the logo, we insert the logo picture. And then header 2, we declare the gallery, the name of the page name. And we have a class paragraph, which is the text for the text. And then we have a header 3, which is the Iron Man gallery. And then in this page, we have 3 images of the Iron Man. And we have a YouTube class, which is in the class we have a link for the YouTube. And this page also we provide a button. This page 1, page 3, page 4, which is profile history illustration, which we can go for the next page. And page 3 is the history. Here also we have a data role, a header, a logo, and also the header 2, which is the name of the page, and have a paragraph. And in this picture we have 2 images, and in this page also we go the button, which is page 1, page 2, page 4. It can for in this button we can go for the previous or next page. And now I'm going to explain about the JavaScript which we use for the form, a validated form, to create the validated form. For this, first is function to display error message. For that we have a function print error, and then function to validate form, which is in the form we have valid. We create a valid, and this variable is name, email, mobile, gender, and country. And we define error variable with the default value, which is the name error, email error, mobile error, country error, and gender error. For the validated name, if name we insert the wrong, it will print out the name error, which is please enter your name. And when we again we put the wrong input, it will be print out the name error, please enter valid name. Else print name, which is name error. For email address also same go for like name, which if we insert a wrong email, it will be print out the please enter your email address. And for the mobile number and country and gender is same as like I explained previous. And then prevent the form from being submitted if there are any error. So if I not have any error, it will be submitted. Internet pause. No. If the validator is wrong, it will be not written, it will return false. If the validator is correct, it will be pop up alert box, which is we declare the alert box as a data preview. Inside the alert box, we can see the full name, email address, mobile, gender, and country. And now we go for the page 4, which is inside the body also. Page 4 is a registration, which is in that page I have the validated form, and they have a data role, data theme, and logo. And we have a header 2, which is the name of the page registration. And now in the validated form, I have a data role, class is a center, class text, which is the center. And then in the validated form, I have a full name, email address, mobile number, country. In which for the country we use a selection option, and then a gender. For the gender we use input type is a radio. And in this page also we include a button, is page 1, page 2, page 3, which is profile gallery history, which is we can go for the previous pages. And this is all from me. Thank you.
Next, I'm gonna show you about style CS for this project. First, I do UI BTN1. I choose the background color black, color white, font size 18px, padding 10px, 20px, border radius 5px, and UI collapsible, background color white. Following that, UI page theme, center text, text align center, logo position center, logo image, and form with 30px, background white, margin 50px auto, and label color black, label I, input select, row padding bottom 10px. Next, form inline label, errors, I choose the color red, input type submit, hover, h4 color black, and the font Times New Roman, data preview, background color black, container for the pop-up message. There's a pop-up message with position, background, border radius, transform, visibility is hidden, and the open pop-up visibility visible, pop-up image, pop-up H2, the words in the pop-up, and pop-up button. I choose the background green and color white, font size 18px, cursor pointer, and that's all from me. Thank you.